before I go into mentioning all the niche, let me explain to us what I mean by CPM and RPM. I know we must have been hearing CPM and RPM. What is this CPM and RPM? CPM is actually what advertisers pay you per 1,000 what ad impression. Do you understand? While RPM is what you earn per 1,000 views. Okay, per 1,000 views. Okay, that is after YouTube have taken their cut. Okay, YouTube can take up to 30% depending on what they are, but this is not our platform. It's just an avenue for us to come and explore, make more money, pass knowledge, of course. So anyway, let us mention the first niche here I have on my laptop here. All right, so let me make sure the first niche I have here. The niche is finance/investing. Finance/investing. So when someone say finance is one of the high paying niches here on YouTube. Okay, now example of this finance, like find someone who can say I'm not rich, I am not rich. Why would I talk about finance? Guys, you don't need to be rich to talk about finance. Haven't you? Okay, you've not made up to 2,000 in your life. Or nobody will give you up to 10k, 20k. That means you are rich. So anyway, you don't need to be rich for you to talk about finance. I thought for me to talk about finance, I need to be rich. Now I know. Let me not tell you what I would have done with my 1 million naira before. It's a true life story. The story I'm telling you. Like I said, this channel is going to be raw truths and releasing to you all. So now, what I would have done with my 1 million naira, I would have invested that money. But you know what? I put it in my account and in my bank account. So when I put it in my account, emergency came. I thought the money was protected because of course, and when you put your money in the bank, it is protected. When you invest it to make you more money, right? Thank you. I did not invest this money. Rather, I put it in my bank. I saved it thinking it's protected. Emergency hit me and I pick up the money and the money vanished. Okay, imagine I had invested that money. Do you know how much I would have made today? So now that's what I'm saying. Now you can talk to somebody about that. You have experienced something. Even if you have not experienced, your brother, your sister must have experienced, losing one thing or the other concerning finance. So why not create a video that will actually encourage another person to get it right, not to make the same mistake that you made. Like me, I'm telling you, don't make the same mistake I made. Okay, now I made another money. I got another money, and a rich quick scheme came up where they told us that if you invest this particular money, you invest this particular money. If you invest this kind of money, you will actually make more money. Guys, first, I'm not a financial advisor. That is the disclaimer I'm putting out here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone that is educating on how to manage finance. That's the little one you have. It's just an educational content. Okay, I'm not a banker. I'm not a finance. I'm not into finance. I'm just telling you that this is my experience, my true life story. I'm just putting out here. All right, so guys, do you know that if I had invested that money would have made me. Now that platform came up and I invested my money into it. Guy, at first I saw the money. Second, I invested, my money vanished. Okay, my money vanished. Now please, I don't want you to make that kind of mistake. Before you invest into anything, before you put your money into any platform, please investigate, wait, think, dream, sleep. Reason first before you invest into that thing. Don't make the mistake I made. I have made a lot of mistakes. All right, I don't want anybody to make. See what actually drive me into creating this particular channel and saying all these things to you all or to us is because of my experience. If I had known, I would have made this video since. But you know what? I was scared that I'm not rich. How would I come and talk about rich? But now it's at my advantage that I need to make sure that nobody passed through the same thing I passed through then. So let's continue, please. I mentioned finance/investment or investing. If you venture into the particular niche, you actually make more money. You can talk about personal finance, which is the one I just said right now. personal finance, or how I made fine how I made I used my 1 million naira and I made 10 million naira in just 3 months. It works for some people, of course. Now stock, you can buy stocks. Crypto, you can talk about crypto. Okay, fine. Crypto education now. Crypto is not that I'm telling you to come and trade or to come and do what. Now this crypto of a thing, remember, I will advise us to save our money in dollar than to save it in naira. If you're in Nigeria, please save your money in dollar than to save it in naira. Yes. Someone will say, oh, I don't know, to going to open a dollar account in Nigeria is hectic. Fine, let me now tell you what to do. Do you know you can buy coins and save it? Like it will be like it's in USD for you. Now there's an app I will be putting on the screen here. Okay, when I put that app, if you're interested about that app or how to, just comment below. I will teach you how to navigate this particular app. That is where I now save my coins. Like I literally save my money in dollar, not in naira. Remember, I'm not a rich girl, I'm not a fancy girl. I'm just telling you, I'm just putting it out here to help us. So I will put in the app here. If you're interested about the app, comment below. Then I will make video on how to navigate. It's not stressful. How it works is that your normal, you just put in your money just like the way you put in your OPay or PalmPay or any kind of platform that you use in transacting your money. Just put it there. So when you put that particular money there, there's a way you will not do. Take it to the particular this app I will be putting here. You will need 2 apps, and it's easy to navigate. Or I hear what I'm saying, it's easy to navigate. I will teach you. If you're interested about knowing this particular app, comment below. Guys, please don't say, oh, this person, he just does not have 0 subscribers. You will be missing if you think I just have 0 subscribers. All right, let us go. So remember, you talk about real estate. If you're into real estate, please take this, use this as a privilege. Start creating content concerning real estate. People want to buy property. People want to own property, but they're looking for a genuine person that can actually give them genuine updates, real updates. People want to own properties, but the point is that there are fakes out there. So people really want to invest their money into something profitable. People want to buy property, to own property. Please guys, if you know you're into real estate, come and start creating content too. Come and start creating content too. You see this course I'm releasing to us all. It's for free. I'm not taking money from us. I'm saying it again. I've seen some people that will say, come and join my class to learn about this. I'm giving you guys for free. I'm not taking people to another place. When it's time to take you, I will take you. But for now, I'm using the little I know, and I'm telling people, see guys, I have been studying about this particular platform for 1 year now. For 1 year. And I also tell you guys for what I would have done if I had known this. All right, so let's talk about their CPM and their RPM. So for a finance, you understand, for a finance niche, they will make CPM. Like I said, CPM is what advertiser pay you per 1,000 word ad impression, right? Thank you. The CPM you generate on this particular niche per 1,000 is almost $20 to $80. Do you understand? Hey, now another one is what? $8. The RPM is what? $8. That's after people have taken their cut. $8 per 1,000 views to $40. Okay, imagine you're making this kind of money on this platform. Imagine you're making this kind of money on this platform. Won't you be happy? Won't you be happy? Hey, all right. So let's talk about another niche. You can hear people you can see YouTubers with this particular niche make money online businesses. Make money online businesses. Example, freelancing, drop shipping, side hustle. Guys, I will make videos here to tell you some of the things. See guys, I'm a nurse. Actually, I'm a nurse, and you can see the reason why I'm bringing out this thing. I'm a student. The reason why I'm bringing out this thing, because me, I've been searching for side hustle that will pay me well. I've been searching for side hustle that will pay me well, and I've discovered lots of side hustles to navigate on this platform. I've discovered. So actually, the reason why I can tell you I have ideas because you know, as a student now, I'm not working, I'm just there. So I came online. I asked GPT to tell me to list out some side hustles that I can actually go into. And ChatGPT listed lots of things, even listed content creation. ChatGPT listed content creation. The way we are friends is not like I can literally ask anything and they will answer me according to me. now make money online is actually a niche. Now you can own a niche talking about telling people how to make money online. Please, I'm telling you, be real. Not when you hear about one particular platform is making people rich and you start telling your audience to start investing. Please don't do that. Be real. On this channel, I'm telling you, be real. Don't be fake. Not because you want people to believe you, but because you need people to trust you. Please be real. All right, you know why I'm saying that? Because I've also come to this YouTube and I've also fallen into victims where some persons will be releasing fake information, and those fake information actually hurts many people, and I cannot even go back to that person to go and watch their videos. What I'm saying is be real, all right, so that people can trust you. Make money online. There are other legit ways you can actually tell your people to make money online. There is freelancing. You can, okay, example of a freelancing. Temu, I know you know about this particular platform, Temu. I will be putting it here. If you don't know it, I will put it here. If you want to become a freelancer on Temu, I can drop the link also for you on the description of this particular video. If you are interested though, only when I see someone say I'm interested to join freelancing or affiliate with Temu, I will put the link. I won't just put the link like that. Only if I see comment that says I am interested to join affiliate marketing with or to affiliate with Temu or freelancing with Temu. I know what I'm saying. I'll put the link. I have the link. Now I will also tell you another way. It's like I will create another video for this particular thing. For freelancing, there are legit ways you can tell your people to venture into. More like there are many. Legitly, there are many. What disturbs us in this country, or some of us, is because we are too quick to make it fast. Like we want to make it fast. So the point is that all these things need patience. Remember, there's nothing good comes easy. Nothing good that comes very easy.